A very good evening to everyone. My name is Thayalini alagendran and my metric number is 820 822 86. Today we will take a look about the calculation that we use to create a payroll report under Susie Bakery Company. As you know, our company name is Susie Bakery. So for the introduction, our company is placed at PT 5720 Tingkat Bawah, Taman Semarang 2, 718009 Negeri Sembilan, and the owner of this Susie Bakery business is Miss Park Angel, and the date of establishment is 17 May 2020. The objective of this assignment is to calculate salary bonus, working hour of the employee. Other than that, payroll also help a business to calculate the company employees' gross pay accurately to prevent the cheating or other possibility that can cause miscellaneous in the money of the company. There are 5 departments under Susie Bakery Company. Let's take a look at the first marketing department. Okay, in the marketing department, all the employee will be paid 20 ringgit per hour. To get a regular pay, we have to calculate the hourly rate. 20 ringgit times by number of hours, that is 40 hours, because an employee have to work at least 40 hours in a week. So 20 times 40 is equal to 800, but 800 is only for a week, so we have to times by 4 to get a grand total, and there is 3,200. Other than that, in marketing department, they also gain some profit from piecework earning. To simply put, piecework earning is the number of unit produced and the rate per unit. So if they are producing 100 unit and their rate is 3 ringgit, so we have to multiply 100 times by 3, and that it will be grand total at 300. For monthly pay, we have to combine the regular pay and the piecework earnings. So we have to combine 3,200 plus with 3,000, that can be gain a grand total of 3,500. The next one is operation department. The operation department regular pay is same as the marketing department, but the hourly rate is the difference. In marketing department, we will pay 20 ringgit, but in the operation department, we will pay 10 ringgit. So for a month, they will get a grand total of 1,600 plus. If they are working at overtime, they will get some profit. For the overtime, we will calculate overtime rate, which is the regular pay 10 ringgit times by 1.5. Okay, the reason that we are using 1.5 is we have to pay 1.5 times more than regular pay for the overtime pay. So we have to times the overtime rate times by the hour they work. So in this case, the regular pay was 1,600, and we have to plus the overtime pay, which is consists of 135 ringgit, and that will be 1,735 ringgit. Third, the sales department. We use the same method, but the hourly rate was different. The hourly rate is 12 ringgit, and we have to multiply by 40 hours, and then the grand total we must to multiply with the 4 weeks. So we will get around 1,920 ringgit. And in sales department, if they are increasing the sales, they could get a commission pay. For an example, if they are sell 100 cakes and they will be gaining 7% of commission, so that will be a grand total of 7 ringgit. So we have to add the regular pay and commission pay, so we will get around 1,927 ringgit. Okay, the fourth department is human resources department. The method is same, but the rate is different. So the rate is 50 ringgit, so we have to times 50 ringgit times by 40 the hourly worked, and then we have to times by 4 the week in a month, so we will get around 2,400. And the last department is accounting department. In accounting department is the same also. The hourly rate is 25 ringgit, and we have to times by 40, and the total we have to times by 4 because 1 month have 4 weeks. So it will be around 4,000.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurfarhana binti Jamaluddin. My metric number is 20A1815. Today, I would like to share with you about the payroll report. Payroll is a list of employees who get paid by the company. Payroll also refers to the total amount of money employer pays to the employees. Entry-level positions at Suzy Bakery usually pay a rate close to the minimum wage. This can vary depending on the position, the store location, and the applicant's experience. As employees continue working there, they may receive a raise and make 12 ringgit Malaysia or more per hour. Any employee who work over that amount of time must be paid overtime. In Suzy Bakery Company, they define a regular work week as 40 hours a week. For example, in marketing department, the employees usually earn 20 ringgit Malaysia per hour. So, 20 ringgit Malaysia multiply 40 hours for a week and then multiply 4 weeks for 1 month. So, the regular pay for them only 3,200 ringgit Malaysia. Then, 3,200 ringgit Malaysia will plus with piecework earning at 300. So the gross total for them only 3,500 ringgit Malaysian. Next, for operation department, the employees usually earn 10 ringgit Malaysian or more per hour. Basically, the employees will work over that amount of time. They will work as 49 hours a week. So, the regular pay for them only 1,600 ringgit Malaysian. And then, this amount will plus with 135 ringgit Malaysia for the overtime pay. So, the gross pay for them only 1,735 ringgit. Next, for Human Resources Department, the employees usually earn 50 ringgit Malaysia per hour. So the gross pay for them only 2,750 ringgit Malaysia. In Sales Department, the employees usually earn 12 ringgit Malaysian per hour. So the regular pay for them only 1,920 ringgit Malaysian. And then this amount will plus with 7 ringgit Malaysia for the commission. So the gross pay for them only 2,750 ringgit Malaysian. And the last one, accounting department. The employees usually earn 25 ringgit Malaysian per hour. So the gross pay for them only 4,000 ringgit Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syifa binti Shamsudin and my metric number is A20A1792. Let's proceed to the question 3, and here is my presentation begins. For question 3, identify the machinery used in our company, hence estimates the cost of each machinery based on the real market. So, we have created a table, and the machinery that we use is oven, freezer, baking sheets, sinks, chillers, mixers, and the total of the cost of our machinery is RM11,000, and the total of scrap value of our machinery is RM2,320 ringgit. So, for question B, based on the fixed cost of machinery that our company bought on table 2, we have select one machine and construct a depreciation schedule for 6 years using this formula. Total depreciation equal to cost minus scrap value. So, cost of router equal to RM11,000, estimated useful life of machine equal to 6, and scrap value equal to Rm2,320 ringgit. So R equal to 0.23 or 23%. Depreciation of kit chillers 20% per annum. And here is our table results. You can see amount of payment. We has used this formula: cash account equal to rate of discount multiple by invoice amount, and also this formula payment equal to invoice amount equal to cash discount. So the cash to be paid to supplier B from Suzy Bakery is Rm5,335 ringgit on 9 April 2021. For second question, which is 15 April 2021, the payment on 15 April 2021 is Rm5,500 to supplier B, which can label as full payment since no discount is provided. That's the end.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Helna binti Salian. My metric number A2082127. So I'm going to present question number 4 in our assignment, business mathematics. Based on the bank loan that the company has identified in table 1, at 5% compounded monthly is to be amortized by 12 months. So calculate the monthly payment. So I will list down the detail first. Loan is 20,000, M compounded monthly equal to 12, T equal to 12 months, which is 1 year, N equal to MT, 12 multiplied 1 equal to 12, I equal to K divided by M, 0.05 divided by 12 equal to 0.00416667. So the formula we use is A equal to P I divided by 1 minus 1 plus I powered by negative n. So 20,000 multiply 0.00416667 divided by 1 plus divided 1 minus 1 plus 0.041667 powered by negative 12. So the monthly payment equal to 1,712 ringgit 15 cents. Question 4b, construct the amortization schedule. So period, we know that 1 equal to 12 months. The beginning balance for the first period is 20,000 ringgit. Monthly payment, all the period it seems 1,712 ringgit 15 cents, and total paid just plus monthly payment with total paid, principal interest paid 20,000 multiply 0.05 by T 1 per 12 months, because the how to find interest paid are equal to PRT. So the interest paid for first period is 83 ringgit to 30 cents. So to find total interest, just plus interest paid plus with total interest. So how to find principal paid? Monthly payment minus with interest paid, so equal to 1,628 ringgit 82 cents. So the ending balance, the beginning balance minus with principal paid, 20,000 minus 1,628 ringgit 82 cents equal to 18,371 ringgit and 80 cents. So it seems like period 2 to 12. So the ending balance for period 12 is 0.00. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul binti Razak, metric number A20A2244. Today I'm going to present about the answer for the question 2. As we can see from the table, we estimate the amount to start up our own business, which is the Suzy Bakery brand, after our own capital, which is 20,000 ringgit. We also taking loan from the relative, which is amounting 10,000 ringgit, and we also have taking loan from the Bank Islam costing 20,000 ringgit. For the loan from relative, the interest amount that we get using the formula I equal to PRT is 700 ringgit, which is 10,000 ringgit times 3.5% divided by 100 times 2. So the total we get is 700 ringgit. For the future value that we get using the formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I power of N is 10,712.25 ringgit, which means 10,000 ringgit times bracket 1 plus 0.035 power of 2. Next, for the loan from Bank Islam, the interest amount that we get using the same formula I equal to PRT is 7,200 ringgit, which is 20,000 times bracket 6% divided by 100 times with 6 is equal to 7,200 ringgit. For the future value of Bank Islam, we can using the info listed on the table, but before that, we need to find the value of I. To find the value of I, we need to find the value of K divided by M, so that using the formula of S equal to P bracket 1 plus I power of N, the future value that we get is 28,640.89 ringgit. For the promissory note, the loan from relative, as we can see, the total loan is 10,000 ringgit. The date of the note is 17 May 2020. 95 days after date, the bakery, the Suzy Bakery brand, promised to pay the order of loan from relative 10,000 ringgit Malaysia for a value received with interest rate 3.5% per annum until paid. The due date of this promissory note is 17 May 2023, created by Nabila.
To conclude this payroll report, as you can see, the payroll report of Suzy Bakery was calculated by the 5 main departments, but in a various calculation and various hourly pay. This because every department have their difficulty by their own, and we as a company owner and shareholder, we need to consider their difficulty and we have to pay according to them. Other than that, at the end of the report, we can also see the usage of the business mathematical formula to run a business, to avoid any shortage or any kind of problem that may be risen, to prevent any kind of problematic within the cost of financial issues.